Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D shapes in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu and select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu. Then select the shape option. We can see here many shape. You can add any shape and make the shape 3D. Now I am select the diamond shape. Then draw the diamond, press shift on our keyboard. Then select the diamond shape and go to the format menu and choose the shape effect option and create the preset and choose the preset 9. Otherwise you can rotate that shape 3D rotation. Select the 3D rotation and rotate anywhere. Now we can see we make a shape 3D very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for